Step 10, finish your sales page. Now we just simply take the code from our PayPal Buy Now button creation, and you can do that by just clicking on here, left clicking, or just clicking here anywhere and it'll highlight everything. But just to make doubly sure, you can also right click in here, come on up here and left click on select all, and then right click again, come up here and then left click on copy. Now all this code and stuff that will make this turn up on your sales page is in your clipboard. Now let's head on back to our sales page. And here's our sales page. And again, don't forget your imagination cap. All this has changed. We've got our new graphics in here. I know this looks like the old graphics, but pretend these are the new graphics. And then you come on down here to where the existing Buy Now button is. This pretty looking thing. Now, had we uploaded this image to our server and taken the URL for that uploaded image to that spot I was telling you about in the prior video on creating the PayPal button, then we can make this an actual PayPal Buy Now button. But it's really not that much more difficult than what we did. Now then, while we're here, we've got the price, we've got this, so let's go ahead and replace this with our newly created PayPal Buy Now button. So I selected this. Come on down here to Source, and depending upon what software you're using, depending upon what HTML editor you're using, depends on if this will work for you or not. Anyway, now we've got the cursor right here where that image is that we just highlighted. So we just select all of this here, right click, and replace that with the code that we got from our PayPal Buy Now button. Now, if you were to happen to have the image that we just had on this uploaded to your server, all you have to do is right here where it says input type image source HTTPS. Don't worry about the S part, folks. It's just part of PayPal. But you can take that URL that you can now upload and then take that URL from here. Let's say this is your domain images / pay button dot GIF, I guess. Actually, let's just make this G, just so everything will fit on this one little page here. Now you can take all of this here. This is the path to your image. And to make doubly sure, you would copy this, go to your browser, and then paste that up in your address bar to make sure that that image shows up in here. That will tell you that that particular link is functioning and everything's working great. Okay, that's just another method of testing. So now then, with that in your clipboard, you come on back here to your HTML editor and you simply replace this, because this is the GIF. This is the image that the orange Buy Now button that we had over on PayPal. Now if you do it this way, you have to make some other changes too. Let me see. No, you don't. Because sometimes those images will have the width and the height, in which case you would have to make those changes, but they don't, so no big deal. You just simply switch out this URL with the URL to your image, and bada bing, bada boom, you got the image that you wanted in there. So that's that. Now, if you come back here to normal, there's our button. And this, if you were to upload this to your server, you're good to go, folks. And frankly, at this point, we are now good to go. With that in there, the change is made. Make one more quick run through here that everything is the way you want it to be. Click on save and then upload. Now, one of the cool things about Composer, and again, I'm not going to get into this in detail, but you can actually click on publish, and if you've got everything set up properly here, which those videos, by the way, will tell you how to do, you can upload directly from Composer to your server. But that being that, this being this, you save this, come on back here to your folder, and this now has your brand new PayPal Buy Now button in there. You upload this to your server, and now then you want to test it, because that is very important. Before you let your customers be your guinea pigs, you want to be your own guinea pig. And how you do this is simple. There's several ways you can do this, but the easiest to explain is simply upload this to your server, go to that URL to your sales page, double check, make sure all the formatting, the graphics, and the text, and the bonuses and everything is there, and everything is clickable that needs to be clickable. Click on the Buy Now button. It will take you to PayPal. Go ahead and purchase the product yourself. Of course, you want to have that amount of money available to do so. And After you've made the purchase, after it has sent you to your thank you page, again, you're playing the part of your customer. And any problems that you will encounter are problems that your customer would have encountered had you let them do the guinea pig stuff for you. So you do it yourself and smooth out all the bumps before you let your customers do so. You'll have repeat business that way, trust me. Then once you've got the testing done, everything is working out perfectly, be sure and go back to PayPal and refund the money to yourself. That way you're not having to pay PayPal just for your testing abilities. So that is how you finish up your sales page. That, folks, is how you can take a PLR product from the vault and within 10 steps make your own brand new product creation. It's that simple, folks. Now, you've heard this worn out cliche over and over again, but I'm going to say it anyway: rinse and repeat. Thanks for watching. Get out there and make some money.